Wow.
Oh, there went another piece of the awning.
Coming right on us. Oh, there just went the whole roof. Come on, go back to camera. Oh my God, it's falling apart. Hurry up.
Done. I'm back.
Look at the metal is hanging on the wires up there now. There's a
sparking.
Whoa! I don't even want it up. Here comes going to hit the truck. Damn it. Wow. There goes the grocery cart out of my way. Thank you very much.
That didn't take long.
Whoa. That just went another direction. It was coming towards our cam shot, but it went the other way.
That's all right. There'll be more.
Whoa. There we go.
That whole thing's about to tilt over.
Advanced Auto Parts sign is still up. Here's my glass. It's a shield. It's clear Lexan glass. Shield back here to protect me. The truck isn't anywhere. Oh, there's a good gust. There we go. There we go.
Oh, now it's getting real.
Whoa, the roof just came off the store now, the Texaco. See it laying on a piece of the roof anyway.
Oh, great.
There's not going to be much left of the station before the core even gets here.
No.
Wow.
Whoa, things just went up a notch.
Yep. Now we're at about 100. In gust, of course. Oh, there's a good gust. Wow. Just went more of the station.
Slowly peeling away.
Whoa. Now it's
wow.
Real.
Whoa.
There's my position right there. Tyndall Air Force Base, blue circle. The eye wall is about to encroach. The wind is going to shift a little bit here. Wow.
That's going to be a problem when that falls. I
Truck
think.
is rolling, boy. Oh, there goes the sign right in front of the truck. I don't know where that came from. That came from the Discount Auto Parts.
Let's take a look at the remote camera.
Yeah. Oh, God. There we go. There we go.
I'm going to stay with you.
Wow. There went that piece of... Oh, look at that. Now everything's really coming apart. There we go. Oh, something just wailed on the truck.
And that's... Everything's
Oh, my God. Things are flying everywhere. Wow.
Take a look at your screen.
See it.
I'm going to put the audio on now.
Okay, there's my current position. I'm under the northern eyewall right now. Under the northern eyewall right now. Whoa, whoa. Here we go. Here's the jet airplane. So wet the garbage can. Boom. Oh, this truck is shaking. Wow. Wow.
This is getting ugly. Jesus.
Wow. Oh my God, this truck is shaking.
This is violent. Looks like it's not, but it looks like a damn snowstorm. It's a whiteout.
This is what you call white knuckle experience. Oh,
What the?
truck just went.
Jeez.
Whoa. Here goes the fence that's next to me. Oh my God. This is absolutely violent. Oh my God. Oh, oh, oh my God, we got debris. It's nailing the truck.
All right.
Oh, oh, oh my God, we got debris. It's nailing the truck. Oh, my mirror folded in on this passenger side. Like, an eyewall. Something just hit the truck.
Yep.
Oh. The roof just came off behind me. That's behind me. There it goes. Whoa!
What was that?
Something just flew right over the truck, part of that roof. Whoa!
Jim, remind me what you strapped that your remote camera to. There's like a wire or something dangling.
Oh, here we go. Oh, this is coming toward my truck. This is not good.
You're going to have to move.
More debris. Oh, there goes a piece of roof. $930.28. There's more debris.
Good.
This is white out. I can barely see anything. There goes a whole bunch of roof.
Whoa. That was close.
This truck is getting nailed. My wife is at home watching this right now. She's going, oh, God help him. God watch over him.
Well, if she's watching Facebook, she's got it.
All right, looks like it calmed down a little bit.
Hello, Barbara, if you're watching. Your husband's in good shape. He's fine.
I'm all over Tyndale.
Amazing.
Oh, something just nailed the truck. I just saw it go by. Oh, just hit the truck again. Something just hit the side of the truck.
You're getting blasted.
My current position, right on the edge of the clear.
God, we still got the whole backside to go yet.
Things are calming down a little bit.
Calm down at that remote camera. You couldn't see it a while ago. Look at that.
That's a little bit south of here, so they might be in that beginning of the eye clearing.
It's yours.
See how it's cleared up? You can actually see out the window now.
Yeah. You got a piece of the eye on both of your cameras. Unbelievable.
God. Ah, crap. There's the roof that blew off. That was right behind my truck.
Yeah. 924.89 millibars. Okay.
Yep. The eye of Hurricane Michael is now over us. I'm stepping out for a minute. See the kind of wood that was right helping my truck? Stuff like this. So there's the eye up there. We're in the eye. You can see there's the eyewall right there. It says 98.
Back up if you can for me.
There's the eye right there.
Good deal.
It's like at the edge of the eye wall that you're looking at right now. I'm in it. Man's a little hard cycle up, bro. That paint, it blew the paint off the back of this truck. This truck had no paint chips missing. That's off the step where you step up. It blew the paint off.
Wow.
That was all solid white when I got it. That's not leaves. That's paint. You see the paint chipping off? That's
Point Mexico Beach, 155 mile per hour winds.
Yeah.
The sun is out and you can see it.
The eye of Hurricane Michael is now over us. Okay, I'm going to go driving. I don't want to waste any time before the backside comes in.
No.
Be very careful not to run over any nails. They're hanging from the wires. These broken ones in front of me.
Yeah. Oh boy. Wow.
This is almost calm out here. The winds are probably about 15 miles an hour right now. I'm almost afraid to drop underneath this, but I got to get through here. All right, we got the back eye wall starting to come in. I'm going to get in this open lot here. What's this woman doing running? Oh, somebody's hurt there. It looks like some. What the hell?
What the hell is this?
What are these people doing? There's a little dog running around.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh. Backside eyeball.
Round two, ladies and gentlemen. Otherwise known as whiplash. Everything that was bent one way on the front side will get twisted around the other way on the back.
They're going to be in there looting all in here.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
See, what plywood doesn't really do much good, does it?
Nope. FYI, the cell connectivity's starting to go.
Oh my God.
Shit.
Oh my God, this is worse than before. Oh, something just hit the truck. Wow.
Good Lord.
Whoa! Ah, something just nailed my truck. Look at this thing next to my truck.
The hell was that?
It's this wooden, this aluminum something or other. Ah.
Get it out of the way.
There it goes.
God, this is dangerous.
I have a nice scrape on the side of the truck now.
None little
Wow,
paint.
what was that?
None the little paint can't fix. Don't worry about it.
It's supposed to be the backside eyewall.
This is incredible.
Okay, digital again. Wow, what's this? A big toy slide from the. Looks like from the store. Is on the loose. There it goes. That's a big children's slide.
After the passage of the eye, the winds quickly shift to the northeast and then the north-northeast, followed by the north, which required me to move the vehicle strategically to keep the back facing the wind.
It's swirling now. Okay, we lost our internet. Wow.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've lost communications with Jim Williams. I'll do my best to get that back. Please bear with us. have lost communications with Jim. Going to return you to live local affiliate coverage and coverage from radio and television until I can reestablish communications with Jim. Jim, can you hear me? No audio, but we're going to roll it, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, big piece of debris just hit this window. You hearing me okay?
Yeah, just let it go. I'm back with you.
Oh my God, this truck took a beating. A whole hunk of that roof came off and it cracked the Lexan glass in the back. Yep, there's a big hole in it. I thought that was indestructible, and that's what I was told.
Well, Jim, this was almost Cat 5, so maybe not.
I'm in a precarious location here because I got water rising all around me.
Yes, sir, I see it.
I can't back up because there's a big pole that's knocked down right behind me. I can't turn around either.
So you're telling me you're trapped.
This is really bad. Okay, there's where I'm at, right there, the southern eyewall. The worst of it's coming in right now. There's the crack in the glass, the Lexan glass. You can see the hole right behind my head here. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
What the hell was that?
I don't know. Like, it's really, really strong. God, I hope this gets over with soon. This is
getting out of hand.
Oh, God damn! Something big just hit the truck.
If you can get home with just a cracked piece of glass, you know this truck can handle it. You're not gonna get much more severe than this.
Hurry up and get out of here.
Hey.
It's like a freight train outside, you know? Whoa! God. I have never in my life seen anything like this. Oh my God. Wow. There's my current position in the blue. Once I get out of that red, I'll be okay. This is absolutely incredible. This is the view out of the back of the truck. There's the crack.
Unobstructed now.
Well, it didn't quite get to Andrew, but the pressure did.
Had it had 8 more hours over water, it may have.
Yeah. It looks like a vehicle flipped over there in the distance. I can't tell if that's a vehicle. Looks like wheels. That's definitely a vehicle that flipped over. Big one, too.
Maybe we can get a look at it when the weather calms down.
Yeah. These people will never forget this hurricane. This is going to be really something. Unfortunately, there's people dying right now and haven't already.
If there were people back there in those mobile home parks over the last 2 to 3 hours, they're probably dead.
Yep.
I hope they got out.
This is it just doesn't stop. There's our vehicles flipped over. Get to see what the underside of a truck looks like. Unbelievable.
Oh, yeah, you're done. I mean, not done, but the violent stuff's done.
All the poles are leaning, power poles in the streets, power lines in the streets. Wow. It's just incredible. It doesn't let up. There it is. All the windows blown out. It's a mess. I mean, this is incredible. This is Category 4 damage.
Oh,
It's still there. Look at the wave action in there. That was a calm bay.
but
That's where that building is.
you see that line going through the center of the screen?
Yeah.
Is that water, or what do you think got in there?
Maybe one of the cords got moved in front of it or something. I don't know.
I mean, look at the top of the screen. You can see something dangling.
Yeah.
Now,
Something wrapped around. Go ahead.
I'm not mad with it. It's done its job. Yeah, but that might be it.
I'm saying probably sustained at one point, probably 120, gusting to 140.
Yeah.
Maybe 115 to 140. But look at that building across the street. Completely collapsed.
You remember what that was?
I don't know. I don't know.
Making his way inland. Definitely made that northeast turn now.
Yeah. It hung a hard right almost. And there it is pulling away.
Still well intact for being inland.
Blocks, concrete, that all collapsed. Look at it off the side of the building there. This was that mobile home park that I was concerned about.